Hello, welcome to SolidPlant. Today I am going to show you a detailed demonstration of SolidPlant PID. In general, to design a plant system, we require a vast number of drawings. In this, a very important and frequently used drawing is process and instrumentation diagram. It can be also called as PID. A detailed PID shows you a complete process of the plant system. In order to create a PID faster, we the SolidPlant had developed an application called SolidPlant PID with all these smarter functionalities. Let's see how the SolidPlant PID helps you in preparing your project PIDs. It helps in creating the new or modify the existing or manage your all process and instrumentation diagram. Hopefully, what you see today is the capabilities of SolidPlant PID. Let's have a look at the important features of this application. Quick drawing and editing. As PID is a 2D application, most of the 2D application will be having similar features. In order to reduce the learning effect of the new user, we, the SolidPlant, had developed this application very simple and easy to learn. If you are familiar with any 2D application, SolidPlant PID will be very simple. If you don't, also no problem, as we designed the application very simple to understand and also to manage. SolidPlant PID uses the industry standard PID symbols, whether you use PIP, DIN, ISO or some other. Dynamic process and signal lines. SolidPlant PID have an capability of dynamic process line creation, which means whenever you start creating a process line from an equipment, it will automatically snaps to the equipment and places a nozzle in order to minimize the errors. And also all the components like valves, reducers, control valves and instruments are dynamic, which means they snap to process line and flips intelligently. Next, SolidPlant PID have a very important functionality, which is synchronization of data like equipment list, line list, nozzle list and valve list directly to SolidPlant 3D, so that none of the data will be missed out from the PID to 3D environment. If you wish, you can also export the information from PID to an Excel format file and pass it to your purchase department in order to complete the procurement faster and smarter. Let's have a look at the SolidPlant PID user interface. As you see, this is our user interface, which is very familiar to all the engineers who have experience on 2D application. Addition to all the functionality of 2D, we have a new toolbar called PID library, where all the smarter functionalities are formulated to serve you better. Let's see what the functionalities we have. As you see, this is the main toolbar, which we have the different types of pipelines, that is primary line, secondary line, primary existing, primary new, and next tab is our instrument line. We have electric signal, pneumatic signal, hydraulic signal and all other signals and instrument lines. And next tab is equipment, where we have our different kinds of pumps and different types of storage tanks, different types of exchangers we have. And next tab is valve tab, where we have a control valve and different types of valves, whether it is gate valve, globe valve, plug, needle, check valve and all type of valves, which is already in the template in the PID library. And next is pipe fitting, all types of pipe fittings and fittings tab, instruments tabs, non-engineering, others tab, where we have assign tag and custom symbol tab. and this is PNID tools, which we have. First one is Project Explorer, and next is Data Explorer, and third one is Synchronize with SolidPlant 3D. You can find more information about PNID and SolidPlant 3D on our website www.solidplant3d.com. If you have any questions or queries about our products, please feel free to drop an email to info@solidplant3d.com. You can also like us on our Facebook. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.